kids. Hi everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good and safe. Let's have an introduction first. My name is Maida and I am your math subject teacher for Prep 1. Today I am going to teach you few numbers and counting. So are you ready? Are you ready for the counting? Okay, very good. So here it goes. Here it comes our first number. Can you see this colorful book? Yes? Okay, say hello to numbers. Hello numbers. Okay, now I'm going to teach you our first number for maths. 1. Which number is this? Number 1. Which number? Number 1. Can you repeat after me? Which number? Number 1. 1 is down, down, down. 1 is down, down, down. So which number is this? Number 1. Can you see this picture? Can you see this? What is this? Is this an animal? Is this a fruit? Or is this a vegetable? No. Yes, it's an animal. Yes. So which animal is this? Lion. Yes, so how many lions are there? 1. So number 1. One line. One line. How many? 1. Which number is this? Number 1. 1 is down, down, down. Yes, good. Now, can you see this another number? Yes. Which number is this? This is number 2. Which number is this? Number 2. Which number? Number 2. So, 2 is round and must sit down. 2 is round and must sit down. Can you see these pictures? How many are these? Yes, 2. Let's do a counting. What is this? Is this a cow or is this a hen? Yes, it's a cow. How many cows are these? Let's do a counting. 1, 2. So how many cows? 2 cows. How many cows? 2 cows. Which number is this? 2. 2 is round and must sit down. So what number we did today? Number 1. Which number is this? Number 1. And now this one, number 2. Which number? Number 2. Good job. Now here comes our third number. Are you excited for our third number? Yes? Okay. Which is our third number? Number 3. Which number? Number 3. Yes. 3 is round and round. 3 is round and round. Can you repeat after me? Which number is this? Number 3. Which number is this? Number 3. 3 is round and round. Can you see this picture? What are these? Yes, these are the horses. How many horses are these? So let's count. 1 horse, 2 horse and 3 horse. How many horses? 3 horses. How many horses? 3 horses. 1, 2, 3. So how many? 3 horses. Yes. So which number we did? So far, which number is this? Number 1. Which number? Number 1. And this one? Number 2. Which number is this? Number 2. Good job. And this one? Number 3. Very good. And now here comes our fourth number. This is number 4. Which number is this, everyone? Number 4. 4 is like sitting on a chair. 4 is like sitting on a chair. Which number is this? Number 4. Can you count number 4 on your fingers? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fingers? 4 fingers. Excellent. So how many fingers? 4 fingers. Good job. Can you see these pictures? What are these? Are these dogs? Yes, or these puppies? These are puppies. How many puppies are these? Let's do a counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many puppies? 4 puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, good job. Here it comes our last number. So are you ready for our last number? Yes? Okay. Number 5. Which number is this? Number 5. 5 is fat and wearing a hat. 5 is fat and wearing a hat. So which number is this? Number 5. Good job. Can you see this picture? How many cars are these? Can you tell me how many cars are these? Yes, let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many cars? 5 cars. Can you show this on your fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cars? 5 cars. Okay, let's do a recall first. So tell me, which number is this, everyone? Which number? Number 1. And here it comes. What comes after 1? Number 2. What comes after 1? Number 2. Good job. And this one? Which number is this? Number 3. Number 3. 3 is round and round. What comes after 3? Can you tell me? Yes, number 4. What comes after 3? Number 4. And what comes after 4? Number 5. What comes after 4? Number 5. Okay, now I have got some activities for you. Are you ready for the activities? Yes. Okay, here I have one activity for you. Count the number of circles and squares. These are the shapes. What are these? These are the shapes. How many shapes are these? Let's do a counting. First tell me, what is the color of the shape? What is the color of the shape? Purple. And what is this shape? Circle. Circle is round and round. Which shape is this? Circle. So let's do a counting. How many circles are these? 1, 2. So how many circles? 2 circles. How many circles? 2 circles. Good job. And can you tell me which shape is this? Square. Yes, it's a square shape. Square have how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the color of this shape? Yes, red color. Good, very good. How many squares are these? Now let's count. How many squares are these? 1 square, 2 square, and this one third square. So how many? 1, 2, 3. So how many squares? 3 squares. So how many squares? 3 squares. Good job. And now we have one more activity for you. Are you ready for this activity? Yes. Okay. Can you count the number of the mangoes on a tree? This is a tree and we have got some mangoes on it. So can you tell me how many mangoes are these? Yes. How many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many mangoes? 4 mangoes. So how many mangoes? 4 mangoes. Very good. And what is the color of a mango? Yes, it's yellow color. Yes, it's yellow. Have you eaten a mango? Yes, it's a yummy, yummy fruit. Very good. Now you have to complete the sequence. Which activity is this? Complete the sequence. We have got something for you. You have to complete the sequence. Okay, which number is this? Can you tell me? Number 1. Which number is this? Number 1. And you have to write another number. What comes after 1? Yes, number 2. And you have to write here number 2. Good job. Here 1, 2. And what comes after 2? Number 3. Yes, you have to write number 3. What comes after 3? Number 4. Here you have to write number 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what comes after 4? Number 5. Good job. So here it goes, our numbers. I have got something different for you. So are you ready for this? Yes? I have got one activity for you. All of you, close your eyes. I'm gonna find one number and you have to tell me which number is this. Alright? So I'm gonna take it out a number and you have to tell me which number is this. Which number is this, everyone? Number 5. Good. Very good. And now, are you ready for another number? I'm gonna take it out another number and you have to tell me which number is this. Yes? Which number is this, everyone? Number 4. Very good. So here it ends our numbers. I hope you liked this and you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye bye.